Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. So in today's video, we are going to test our event-driven Ansible server from an event that Zabbix will pick from our infrastructure. So what we have here is that we have our event-driven Ansible server. It's currently running in the background. Nothing has printed on the screen. It's listening for events. So what we will do is that we will simulate an event. So we'll go to interface E0/2 and we'll shut it down. Now Zabbix will pick this alert and it will send a payload to the event-driven Ansible server. And as you can see, we have it over here. That was real quick. So when you check on Zabbix, you see that there's an event over here, and the problem is the problem severity is disaster. As you can see, I have an media alert for it as an email. So as you can see, I have two media alerts for it. One is the webhook, and one is the email address. So back to here, as you can see, the event was sent as a payload to the event-driven Ansible server, which was just sitting down quietly listening for events to happen. As simple as that. So as you can see, we have the payload. Now, one thing I observed is that when should the interface come up? Okay, so let me end the video here. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to correct something that I saw, or let's say a bug that I saw in the event-driven Ansible code.